Schizophrenic.NYC, made by a schizophrenic New Yorker, myself, Michelle, to try to change the way that New York City sees mental health. We took the idea of the Rorschach test. When you get the unmedicated schizophrenic to look at that Rorschach test, they look at it from a different perspective. So what I did was take that test, switch up the colors and the patterns, so now everyone's forced to look at it from a different perspective. It gets people to think differently, it gets people to start talking about mental health and ending stigma. 1 in 5 New Yorkers are afflicted from a mental health issue, but they don't talk about it because there's so much stigma. I decided to start Schizophrenic.NYC because being schizophrenic, I talk to myself a lot. And one day I was on the F train and I looked down the car and there was a schizophrenic homeless man talking to himself a lot. And I thought to myself, if I didn't have the support of my friends, my family, and my doctor, I could so easily be homeless just like that guy is, but I'm not. I felt like I'm lucky. Even though I'm schizophrenic, I'm lucky because I have support. So I wanted to do something that would give back to the mental health homeless community. So I started Schizophrenic.NYC, and a portion of our profits goes to organizations that help out with the mentally ill homeless. People are really responding well to Schizophrenic.NYC. They understand my mission, they understand how I want to end stigma in New York City as well as promote mental health awareness. I do a lot of flea markets, I meet a lot of people, I meet a lot of psych professionals, I meet a lot of psych majors, and I meet a lot of people that just have friends or family or acquaintances that have a mental health issue. Everybody seems to really be able to relate to me, so I think because of that, they really understand my brand and they respond well. All Schizophrenic.NYC tanks and tees are printed here in New York City. I have an amazing screen printer that screen prints all of my Don't Be Paranoid, You Look Great tanks and tees. I have an amazing DTG printer that prints all of my Rorschach tests, and I love it, love keeping things local, everything New York City, just because I'm trying to support New York City. End stigma in New York City. Let's make it happen. Don't be paranoid, you look great.